Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going through Cambridge Lower Secondary Checkpoint Mathematics paper 2 from April 2024 series, right. So time to complete this paper is 1 hour, and as this is paper 2, you can use calculator in this. As you can see in the instruction, you may use calculator here. So total marks of the paper is 50. So let's start. Question number 1 that we have here, it will take 7 workers 6 days to pick some mangoes. Calculate how many workers are needed to pick these mangoes in 3 days. So 6 days, in 6 days we need here one number of workers. So we will take the number of workers this side. So 7 workers are needed for mangoes to pick up in 6 days. So 6 days are equivalent to like the 7 workers, and if they want to pick it in 1 day, so that means more workers are required. So times 6, right? And sorry, if there are 3 days, then this is going to be lesser than the before. So we are going to divide it by 3. So 3 times 2 is 6. So 7 times 2 we have 14 workers will be required to pick the mangoes in 3 days, right? Now calculate 54 divided by square root 54 divided by square root 6. So this can be written as like 54 divided by 6. So as you can see, square root is on both, so we can just write it down like that. So 6 times 9 is 54. So this is square root 9. Square root 9 is 3, right? Now number 3, the mass of a baby is 4 kilogram. Each month the mass of baby increases by 15% of its mass from the previous month, right? Find the mass of baby after 2 months. So 15% of 4 kg. First of all, the mass of baby is 4 kg. So first month it's going to be like, for the first month it's going to be, first month is going to increase like 15% from the previous month. So 15% of 4 kg, right? So this is going to be 15 over 100 times 4. So which comes out to be 60 over 10, that 100. 0 and 0 is gone. So this is 0.6 kg will be the increase, right? So 6 kg is the increase. So the new mass after 1 month, new mass after 1 month is going to be 4 plus 0.6, that is 4.6 kilograms, right? Now we are talking about after 2 months. So second month, what's going to happen? So in the second month again the increase is 15%. Let me just erase this one. So this is 15% of the previous month. Previous month is now 4.6, is 4.6 kilogram, right? So this is going to be 15 over 100 times 4.6. You can directly use calculator for that, because this is a second paper and we can use calculator. 16, this is 0.69. So mass after second month is going to be 4.6 was the previous one, so then plus 0.69, which is 5.29 kilograms after 2 months, right? Number 4, in a game Olivier can either lose or win, win, draw or win. The probability Olivier loses the game is 50%. The probability he draws the game is this. So this is the total, like lose and draw. So the total is 70%, right? What is remaining? We are talking about work out the probability he wins the game. So winning the game is going to be 100 minus 70, that is 30%. Very simple question. That's why it's only 1 marks. Now, number 5, we have here Anastasia has 4 fair spinner A, B, C and D. So, you can see we have 4 spinners here. She spins one of the spinner 1200 times and gets even number 486 times. Write down the letter of the spinner that she is most likely to have used, right. 400, we are given 486 out of 1200 times, right, the spinner. So, if we take the percentage, so we can see the percentage because we have here it is not easy because we are not given any data, we have just given the numbers on it. So, if I multiply this by 100 and I am getting it 40.5%. So, which one we are talking about? Let us see what are we talking. She spins one of the spinner 1002 times and gets an even number. So, we are talking about even number. Here if you say we have 2 even numbers, right. So, that means the chances are 50% because out of 4 it is 50. Here is only one even number, that is there are 3 sections. So, this is 33%. Right, 1/3, and here we have 2/3. 2/3 means we have 2 over 3 times we can take 100. That is not actually the case that we are looking for. Here we have 2 out of 5 and then let us say times 100. So, if you simplify this, this comes out to be 40%, which is near by to this one. So, approximately we have the answer here as part D, right. Now, number 6, here is a mapping of a diagram for a function y equals to 4x square. We have input here, this side we have output. Complete the mapping with 3 different values, right. Okay, so, the function here we have is y equals to 4x squared, right. So, this is the y value after substituting x. So, once we put x here, so 4 times 10 square, 10 square is 100, 100 times 4 is 400. Okay. Now, this is the reverse mapping. So, here we have 4 x square, we have the value as 100, right. So, x square is equal to 25. So, x is going to be plus minus 5 because 5 square is also 25 and negative 5 is also 25. So, we have negative 5 and 5. Now, let us see what is the next question. Here is the calculation, we have the calculation here, find the value of A and B. So, there is actually sometimes don't need to do the actual calculation, we can just equate. So, if you see these 2 sections here, you see 28 is there, 28 is here. So, we are going to leave this one and this one. We have A over 2 1.5 times 1.5. So, this means this A over 2 has the same value as 1.5. So, from here we have A over 2 equals to 1.5. So, when you cross multiply it is 1.5 times 2, that is 3.0. So, A is 3, right. Now, if we equate these two, here we have A, this is 28. So, we exactly do not know that what is the value for A, because A over 2 cannot be equal to A. So, that means there is some difference in B. So, we can write it down as if I will write here A over 2 times A over 2 times 28 equals to A times B, right. So, we are looking for the value of A. We have already got the value of A. So, then we can substitute the value here. So, which is 3 over 2 times 28, again 3 over 2, sorry, it is only 3, not 3 over 2. Then we have times here B. Now, if you see this 3 times 3, it is going to cancel from here. So, 2 times 2 is 4 and 4 times 7 is 28. So, B is 7. just simplifying, you can directly use calculator. Now number 8, Carlos sells previously owned clothes, so is selling the clothes. He will ask his customer one of these questions, A or B. We have two questions, A or B. Let's see first the question, what is the we need the requirement from the question. Carlos want to work out a mean value to represent the condition of the clothes. Tick to show which question Carlos should ask his customer and reason why. Question A because it asks the quantitative data, question A because it asks the qualitative, question B because it asks the quantitative and B. Okay. So, we are comparing the quantitative and qualitative, this gives the quality and this gives the number, right. So, let us see. First question is, on a scale of 1 to 10, what number would you choose to represent the condition of the clothes? So, here is very poor, he has like the quantitative data here, excellent. Which word you choose to represent the condition? Now, this B cannot be the answer because the response is like very generalized, very poor, average and excellent, but this gives the actual scale from 1 to 10. So, it is very simple that we will use this, the first one, the quantitative data with the question A, right. Now, number 9, Yuri enlarges the ABCD shape by scale factor of 2. Point A does not move when the square is enlarged. So, this point is stationary, it does not move. Draw a ring around the coordinates of the center of the enlargement. So, if this does not move, so that means that is the center of enlargement. So, this is the center of enlargement because this is 2 and 2. Number 10, the diagram shows a solid metal cylinder with radius of 4.1 and height of 7 centimeters. So, we have this cylinder, the cylinder is melted. So, this cylinder is then melted, this cylinder is melted into to make in the cubes. The side length of each cube is 2 centimeter. So, there are cubes made like this after melting, right. So, there are many cubes like this, right. Calculate the whole number of cubes that is made. So, that means the volume of this cylinder and the volume of the cube, if you divide, that will give us the number of the cubes. So, we will write down number of cubes. Number of cubes is going to be volume of cylinder over volume of cube, right. Volume of cylinder, we have the formula pi r square h, and the cube is side length. Side is we are given the each cube is of 2 centimeters. So, 2 cube, right. So, we are going to divide this, we have the value of radius and all this, pi and r is 4.1 squared and h is 7 over this is 8. Once you calculate this, you are going to get 46.2. So, 46.2. So, we are going to, as we are taking the whole number, so the whole cube is going to be like, there will be 46 small cubes that can be made from this by melting this cylinder. Now, next question number 11 we have from pie chart. The pie chart shows the information about different types of pizzas sold in a restaurant. So, you can see we have the scale here, I mean the this is meat shown in gray and this line is tomato, vegetables and cheese. A total of 324 pizzas are sold. So, total number of pizzas is 324. Mia says that 20 more cheese pizzas are sold than meat. So, we are comparing cheese and meat. So, cheese and meat, cheese is here, this one is cheese 60% and meat is we have 40%, right. So, let us see, we can write it down. let me do it here. So cheese, for cheese, what do we have? Cheese angle is 60 out of 360, and in total we have 324 pizzas, right? So once you calculate this one, this comes out to be, this is times 6, and when you divide, this comes out to be 54, right? Then we are looking for meat pizzas. So meat pizzas are, meat is like here, this one, which is 40 over 360 times again the total number, which is 324, 9. Once you do this, this is comes out to be 360, 36. Okay, so the question is tick to show that Mia is Mia, tick to show if Mia is correct or not correct. You must show your answer. Now let's see, she said 20 more cheese pizzas were sold then. So let's see the difference. So difference is here 54 minus 36, it's 18, which is not 20. So she is not correct. So we are going to take here not correct, right? Now the next one, the diagram shows a right angled triangle. You see the right angled triangle. Find an expression in terms of y for the area of the triangle. So as you know that the area of the triangle, what's the formula? Half times base times height, right? So half and base is y and height is also y. So y times y is y squared over 2. Very simple question. Number 13, a polygon has 7 sides. A polygon has 7 sides. The size of 6 largest interior angles add up to 855. Calculate the smallest interior angle. So now as you know, the sum of the interior angles is n minus 2 times 180. So we have 7 sides. So 7 minus 2 times 180. So that is 5 times 180, which gives us 900, sum of the angles. So the 7th angle is going to be, we are given that the 7th angle. So we are going to find out the 7th angle. 6 angles we are given. So 7th one will be 900 minus 855, which comes out to be 45 degrees. So this is 45 degrees, right? Now number 14, we have y equals to, we are just going to cross multiply, right? 56 over y plus 1. So that will be 8 into y plus 1 equals to 56, right? So then divide by 8, or you can just write, expand the bracket, 8y plus 8 equals to 56. So 8y equals to 56 minus 8. Divide by 8, so y is 6. So that's it for this video. We are going to do in the next video remaining questions. Thank you so much guys. Be blessed and kindly subscribe to the channel and let me know in the comment section how do you like this video. Be blessed guys.